7 stories of international and local brands, this Colombo landmark stands as the city's first prestigious shopping development. It is a premier retail, entertainment, and dining paradise designed to unite local and global shoppers. From the outset, the master plan embraced clear sightlines, effortless accessibility, and an environment crafted from high-quality materials. The result is a space that showcases the globe's best-known and best-loved names, offering optimal display opportunities and robust foot traffic. Visitors are drawn into a seamless, engaging experience, where every detail, from curated brand mixes to inviting public spaces, contributes to a level of satisfaction and delight unmatched anywhere else in Colombo. This development not only elevates shopping, but also serves as a vibrant hub for leisure and culture, inviting residents and visitors alike to explore, connect, and indulge in a world-class retail journey. Beyond its storefronts, the project thoughtfully integrates green terraces, art installations, and flexible event spaces that host fashion shows, pop-ups, and community programs. The architecture champions natural light, breathable interiors, and comfortable transitions between stores, cafes, and entertainment zones. With a commitment to exceptional service, a curated mix of local artisans and international brands ensures variety that appeals to diverse tastes and budgets. The result is a dynamic, inviting environment where families, professionals, and wanderers alike discover new favorites, create memories, and return again and again for the full Colombo experience.